Bago magsimula ang video, huwag niyo muna kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Let's go! Uy, Kyrie at Sab, alam niyo na ba kung saan tayo pupunta ngayong araw?
Di pa ate.
Ikaw, Sab?
Saan ba?
Di niyo talaga alam?
Hindi.
Ay, nako. Alam niyo ba kasi, kinontak ko na si Mr. B. Kaya niyo ba yun?
Mr. Beast?
Ote. Artista yun ah. Artista ba yun?
Hindi.
YouTuber pala. YouTuber.
Oo, YouTuber.
Di ba bilyonaryo?
Oo, bilyonaryo yun. Mayaman.
Paano yun ate? Grabe ka naman. Galing mo naman. Paano mo na?
Alam mo na kasi naging YouTuber rin tayo so meron na tayo may mga connection na tayo sa mga YouTuber din.
Uy.
Ano, ready na ba kayo?
Siyempre ate.
Oo naman.
Syempre bago yon hindi tayo sasakay ng kotse.
Asan te?
Dun oh, sa helicopter na yun oh.
Paano yan ate? Di ka naman marunong gumamit yan.
Ay, magtiwala lang kayo sa akin. Na-practice
Uy
ko
ate,
na.
baka maging katulad tayo kay Kobe Bryant ah.
Ay, naku, hindi mangyayari yun.
Uy,
Okay.
may plano dun oh. Pinalipad oh.
Uy,
Lalandi. Uy.
oo nga. Ay, pero wait lang, dito lang kayo. Kita niyo yung bahay na yan?
What eh?
Yun yung bahay ni Mr. Beast. Umuwi kasi siya dito sa Pilipinas eh. Bumili agad ng
Eh,
bahay.
Siya yan ate. Ano eh. Dun galing.
Oo nga eh. Tara na.
Tara ate.
So, ano pong plano natin kay Mr. Beast? Siguro, ang sarap siguro magpaampon kay Mr. Beast, no? Yaman eh. Medyo mabagal tong helicopter na to, Bilisan ko ba?
Oo ate, bilisan mo te.
Okay, may tiwala naman kayo siguro sa akin eh, no?
Baka maging katulad tayo kay Kobe ah.
Eh, hindi yan. Ito no. Ay, mali. Naku, mali pala.
Uy! Huwag naman ganyan ate. Huwag
Ay, mali. Tumaas kasi. Ikaw kasi, Kyrie.
Gugulat ako ate. Uy, baka huwag mo
wait
naman
lang.
bang...
Baka pumasok yung bahay ni Mr. Beast dito. Wait lang, bababa na ako. Ayun, may bodyguard na. Hello po, guard. Nandyan po ba si Mr. Beast?
Bakit? So pa kayo sa kanya?
Kami po kasi yung yung kakolab ni Mr. Beast.
Isabi niya. Sige, sumunod kayo sa akin dito. Tara.
Grabe. Dito ba nakatira yun? Yaman.
Pasok na lang kayo dito
Sige. Sino to? Yaman na ito Pati bahay ni Mr. Beast. Yaman pala niya, no? Daming tao.
Ang grabe niyang pera, no?
Kaya nga, teka, sino to? Babae. Naku, baka taga dito yun. Baka yayata nila yan.
Baka naglilinis lang ate. Naglilinis lang yan.
Oo.
Alam si Mr. Beast.
Si Mr. Beast.
Si Mr. Beast ba yun?
Mr. Beast!
Nakakahiya.
Idol ko yan, idol.
Mr. Beast ba yun? Nakakahiya. Parang may kakaiba sa kanya. Medyo malaki yung katawan ni Mr. Beast,
Parang lumiit siya.
Oo nga eh.
Di ba 6-footer yan?
Oh, so relaxing here.
Wow.
Who are you?
Mr. Beast!
At Mr. Beast.
I'm Mr. Beast. I'm Mr. Beast.
Mr. Bean? Mr. Beast yata yun. Hello po.
Hello.
I mean,
How are you doing, guy?
We're doing good po. Kamusta po? Ano ba yun? Marunong siguro ito mag-Tagalog, no? Yun ang Tagalog.
Oh, yeah, my assistant here teach me how to speak Tagalog. Like, mahal kita.
Oo, marunong
What's
pala.
your saying to me? Ano ba yun?
Mali ata English mo.
You are so foreigner. Yes.
Oh, yeah,
So, dahil nakaka-speak po kayo ng kaunting Tagalog, kamusta po dito sa Philippines?
Okay naman ako. Okay naman ako.
Wow.
So, what you want guys to do?
Di ba? Ay, naku, napakahirap mag-English. Ano ba yun? I want...
Never mind. I can speak Tagalog.
Ayun,
But I'm so konyo.
Konyo, panalo. Okay. So, di ba, napag-usapan naman na natin, Mr. Beast, na magko-collab tayo. So, pwede ba natin gawin yun?
Oh, yeah, of course. But where? What kind of collab? Like, what do you want? Eating street food, doing some extreme rides. What do you want?
Alam niyo ba yung palengke?
Uy!
Palengke. Oh,
Kyrie, wait lang. Mukhang maling desisyon na sa palengke tayo pumunta. Dapat hindi. Ano bang nasa isip mo, Kyrie?
Yung mga fishball, yung mga ganun. Yung mga street food yun.
Fish, pwede rin eh. Ikaw, Sab, ano bang nasa isip mo, Sab?
Milk tea, Jollibee.
so guys. I check here my cellphone. I wanna try Jollibee or Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Ayun.
Oh, Jollibee.
Sure, sure.
So, let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Go, go, go!
Let's go, Mr.
Hey.
Beast.
Drive my limousine.
Okay. Wow! Is this yours?
Yeah.
You're so rich talaga. Okay, so yun, Kyrie, nakontak ko yung Jollibee. Ang ganda na sila doon.
Uy. Ate, di ba libre daw yung mga foods pag kay Mr. Beast?
Oo. Ako, nasabi ko naman na, libre. Inarkila ko naman na yung Jollibee para kay Mr. Beast.
Buti pumayag yung branch.
Oo, syempre, Mr. Beast na yun. Kilala nila yun. Dito yun. Dito tayo. Tara na.
Diyan na lang kayo
So,
magpar-
we're here.
Yes, this is the Jollibee, Mr. Beast. Do you like it?
Can you guys open my door?
Open the door, open the...
Thank you so much. Oh.
Look, can you-
Bayda ang saya. Welcome, Mr. Beast, sa Jollibee. Free food for Mr. Beast. Oh, I'm free food.
Yeah.
Yes!
Oh,
For you. Go inside.
yung,
This is the Jollibee.
yung bango niya.
Yes.
Oh, wow. So clean ah. You're so clean ah.
Do you like it, Mr. Beast?
Yeah, actually, I want one brunch.
Oh.
Uy.
Mr. Beast, did you know this is the most popular restaurant in the Philippines?
Oh, really?
Yes.
So, that's why pala, nung naririnig ko to nung sa Amerika pa ako, no?
Oh, yes.
Bukod sa sikat pa, masarap pa dito. Lalo na yung
Yes.
juicy, di ba?
Oh,
Masarap dito, sobra.
like, what are the food recommendations you can offer for me, guy?
Mr. Beast, meron kami ditong, do you know palabok?
Wow, Paylabok?
Yes, tas tuna pie. We have tuna pie here.
You need
Wow.
to try our special sweet Filipino spaghetti.
I recommended for you the pistachio ice cream. Then
Yeah,
yung...
pistachio ice cream?
Yes, yes, yes.
I haven't heard that. Do you know May Daldal?
May
May
daldal?
Daldal?
Huh?
May Daldal?
May daldal? What's that?
Yeah, Madaldal.
Ah!
Are you guys Madaldal?
Oh, yeah. Kyrie, si Kyrie. Kyrie,
Yes, yes.
daldal. Kyrie,
Let's
daldal.
try.
Wait, Mr. Beast. Before that, we have surprise for you.
Oh, ay, yung nga pala.
Right.
ate.
Are you ready?
Okay, sure.
Okay, yun na siya.
Oh,
Jolly Jelly.
Jollibee. Oh,
Jolly
thank you so much.
Jelly.
The best free Jollibee.
It's
Jolly
Jolly.
Thank you
Wait,
so much.
you're gone. Put
You're
that
gone,
down.
bro. You're gone. Put down.
Mr. Beast, you're guard.
Wow, you are guys amazing, ah.
Thank you, Mr. Beast. And Jollibee is a bee that have basta a bee that cooks so many food.
Oh,
Yes.
can we eat na?
Yes.
I want to eat here. Can I?
Okay, go. Yes.
So yummy, ah.
Yeah.
Can you rate it?
I rate it 11 out of 10. Yeah.
Panalo.
Service.
Yeah.
Do you want to taste pistachio ice cream?
I tried it lately, but I don't want the taste. No, thanks.
Okay.
You want to taste our special halo halo?
Oh, may halo-halo ba?
Wala.
Wala naman.
Sinasal ata
Wala.
yun.
Ang inasal yun.
Yes.
You can taste it in the...
Are you guys funny?
It's not laughing.
Ha 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 ha.
So, Mr. Beast, dahil nagustuhan mo naman yung Jollibee, do you want to try some street foods like kwek-kwek, ganun?
Oo naman.
Pwede,
Can I try? Let's go now.
Let's go. You have so many here street foods. Kahit saan yan, kahit saang sulok. So, try natin.
Mr. Beast,
Yeah.
you want to taste pares?
Yes, and hotdog, nanning beef.
Whoa. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, we have here.
Pare.
We have here.
Oh, so beautiful, ah.
Let's go. Yan.
Thank
Oh,
Hiwaga.
hiwaga.
Paris. Overcooked.
Hiwaga. Paris
I
overcooked.
want to try that. Can you give me that?
Hello?
Bile.
Can we buy? Pabili.
Hello?
Waga pala eh.
Can we buy one for Mr. Beast? Or gawin niyo ng libre? Kilala niyo naman to, di ba?
Sige.
Oh.
Yes, it's for free now.
Wait. Let me try it. Then I'll rate it.
Okay, wait. Try it.
Oh, more.
Did you like it?
Yeah. 8 out of 10.
Ooh.
Because it's not my taste. Like, that's good.
Okay.
It's not for me.
Not bad. Here, we have
Oh,
hot dog.
Netty B.
Hot dog ni Neneng
Hot
B.
dog 999 day. Oh, It's just like a hot dog.
It's Hungarian.
Yes, Hungarian hotdog.
Hungarian cooking hotdog. Hotdog may tomato.
The juiciest hot dog of the world.
Neneng B,
Shit, bakit?
pwede bang shoutout mo naman si Mr. Beast. Bibidyoan kita ito.
Yeah. Can you shout out me?
Shout out kay Mr. Beast dyan. Sige,
Yeah.
pera.
Oh, let me get all the hot dog ni Nanang B.
Ooh.
Then I'll give you pera.
You're so lucky.
Uy, grabe.
Swerte pala to si Neneng B. Oh.
I rate it. It's so cheesy.
It is good.
Am I right? Full of cheese. 27 out of 10.
Oh,
Big winner, Naneng B. Okay, let's now taste the other street foods.
oh, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast. This is my cousin's business. Yan.
Yo, what's your name, brother?
My name is Totoy B. Totoy B.
Toy B.
Then
That's the Nick Beast cousin.
Oh, brother. You're so, family-minded.
Yes.
Ano ka sinasabi niya? Hindi ko maintindihan.
I can speak Tagalog.
Okay, speak Tagalog, Mr. Beast.
Hingi ako ng isang, make it 100. 100.
Hindi ko kaya yun. Hindi ko kaya natin. Sige, sa'yo na lang to.
Mr. Beast, that's too much.
That's
Yeah.
too many, Mr.
I will
Beast.
just give it to the other.
But it will take too long. It will take one day to make 100 cotton candy.
2,000 years later.
Ay, ginabi na tayo dito. Taga nung cotton candy, 100 eh.
Ate, 8 p.m. na.
Hey. Cotton candy. Where's the cotton candy?
99. Isa na lang, ate. Isa na lang. Kulang
Ay, isa
na
na
ako
lang.
sa atin.
99 na yung nagawa niya. Naku, pwede na yan. Naku, dami kasi 100 eh.
Totoy B, pwede ba libre na lang?
Kulang na lang. Kayo na lang gumawa. Kayo na lang sana gumawa.
It's so funny.
O sige, dito na ako. Bahala kayo dyan.
Okay, tapos na. So, do you like it, Mr. Beast?
Yes, I wanna go home but too early.
Let's go, sir.
Uy, ano yan? Mr. Beast! Uy, Mr. Beast! Naku, Mr. Beast! Mr. Beast! Hala! Oh no! Oh no!
Sir. Oh my God.
Hala!
No.
Ate, abulin natin ang kotse.
Kidnap ako, guys. Ay, dito pala ako. Ayun nga, guys. Panoorin niyo yung part 2 ng Mr. Beast. Dahil exciting yan. Dahil ililigtas ako nila Ate Cheska. Don't forget to subscribe to Ate Cheska's channel.
Stop, guys. Oh, ayun lang. Wala ko siya shoutout. Jollibee pa ka naman, oh. Jollibee ako. Hi, shoutout kay Alexa. Yun lang.
Next.
Hi! Hi everyone, it's Nagan, Miss Sab. And shoutout nga pala kay Dre. Yun lang. At kay Astrid. Yun lang, bye!
Yo, shoutout nga para sa mga klase ko.